So, hallo there, buenos dias, guten Tag, guten Tag, wie geht's euch? Alright, this little tutorial here is there for you guys to learn about your new blog, which you're gonna have on your Gibbon website in the future. So let's jump directly into our browser, because the whole system works basically online, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. So to give you an idea of how this whole thing will work, I would like to invite you to go to our website and then switch to the Gibbon International English site. Okay? So if we click on here, we will go onto this site, and this is where we will have all our blogs. There's a reason for this. This is the most frequently used page. We've just created over 70,000 clicks in the last month, and it will be pretty much a drain for all of you guys to write down the blogs in 10 different languages. So in that sense, it makes sense to use this one. So we click on the Team Writer page. What you can see, we've already started changing the design. The design will be changed in total around the layout to give it a bit better appearance. Okay, so what you can see here, we've added a new feature, which is the comment feature, which you can basically use to add comments onto each of the profile pages or each of the articles for the blog, and it has the option for the person who writes down the comment that the comment is also written down in the blog, on Facebook. So this is a great new feature to spread the word. So how does the blog look like? So if you look at Bernd here now, for example, you can see that we've got each article in a single session. So it's just like the layout is similar to the main page. So it gives it a clear and understanding view which article is about what. Okay, so let's jump into the whole thing. So to get there, you type in again gibbon-slacklines.com/contenido. This gives you the entry site. So what we will do is we will play around with Nick's blog. So, and to make it more understandable, we're gonna have everything in English. So this is the entry. Welcome, Nick. So what we have inside the whole content management system is two topics. One is articles and one is the file manager. The file manager is there to upload images and to as a database, and articles is where we're actually going to create our content. So you can see here we have the root tree, which leads directly to Nick. I'm going to go in here, and you can see we've got already an About Me article, and this About Me article we're going to simply add another little article. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a video. So Nick in Helsinki. We prepared something here, and what you do then is you simply go afterwards, click on OK, and if we go back to overview, you can see, well, hey, Nick in Helsinki, we've got our first new article. But what you can see also is that it's not yet published. This is because it hasn't been set online. You can see this whether the screen is white or black. White is online, black is offline. Good. So let's go into our topic. You can just click into it, into our article, and you can see here you have various options you can fill out. So let's, as we said, we want to add a YouTube video. So let's just go into YouTube. So I'm just going to look for a video quickly. We've got here Helsinki. So what you do is when you look up on the URL, you can see that it has the youtube.com/watch?v, which stands for video equals, and we copy the code that is after the equal. Okay, so we copy that, go back into our contenido, into our article, click on this space where it says YouTube ID, and just enter this thing. What you have to be sure of is that there is no space within the whole thing, or else it won't show the video. So what you do here is you just bonk and click save. So you can see that the video has already been added. It's great. So the next thing I'm going to do is going to add a headline. Nick in Helsinki 2009. Click here to save the changes. Go back. Gonna jump into content and add some content here. Nick Ping Helsinki trade. Well, this is your own blog, so it's me ripping the shit out of the Helsinki trade show. Thanks to the people setting up a nice little line with the boxes are great. You could really feel the bass on the line. So we save this. Okay. So we've got all our information inserted into the article, and then we go basically back to overview and set the article as online. So what we should see here now, we switch to Nick, where hey, we've got our article. So the article has got inside this green window, it's got the video, which you can view like this.
Y'all live through me, so I'ma live through you. Continue this beautiful cycle. History always tries.
So let's say we want to create an article where you've got images integrated into the whole thing. Okay. So what we do is we go back into our contenido, create a new article. So images of Nick at the ISPO. Just gonna copy that, check that in there, click OK, go to the editor. So instead of a YouTube ID, a YouTube video, which I won't be inserting into this article, I'm gonna add an image. Okay, so to add images, we have to go back to our file manager. So the file manager is basically the database where all our images are stored. So what we've done under the topic team block, it might also appear at the beginning like this to you guys. You click here on the plus. You've got all categories for the various people. Okay. So what I advise everyone is to use their own folder, or else we'll just end up in a frenzy of where have I uploaded my images. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the folder Nick, and as you can see, I've already uploaded a few images, but I'm gonna show you now how to upload these. So you click on upload files, you go on durchsuchen or search, and then I'm just gonna have a quick look for some further images of Nick. No, not any here. Okay. Here. I think I've uploaded that one already. You can take this one here, for example. Okay. As you can see, we can also do a multiple upload, but we're just going to settle for this one image. So I'm going to add this image by clicking on OK. This is going to take a little while. There we go. And then you can see this is the image we've uploaded. Okay. So once you've got all the images loaded up in your file manager, we can go back to the